Hello! In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to buy crypto on Kraken using a debit card so you can fund a purchase instantly. So first, you will have to make sure that your Kraken is already installed in whatever device that you're currently using, whether you're using a mobile phone or a desktop or whatsoever. And then once you've already downloaded the app or you have the website already set up, then you will just have to sign into your account and complete identity verification if you haven't done so. Debit card purchases often require KYC. Next, you will just have to go to the Buy Crypto or Funding section and select debit card as your payment method. After that, pick the cryptocurrency and enter the amount that you would want to buy. Kraken will show fees and the final total. Then, enter your debit card details and billing information. Review the terms and confirm the purchase. Finally, wait for the transaction to complete and check your Kraken crypto wallet for the new balance. Quick tip: check daily purchases limits and fees shown before confirming. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a good day.